As you guys might know, I am an EO member, like an entrepreneurs organization. So there's like 17,000 members globally in 60 countries, 213 chapters. So I was just in Kenya, right? Here's the t-shirt, right? One of the t-shirts I got. We had a moderator summit, which is a function in the organization. And there are entrepreneurs from all over the world from 100 different sectors like medicine, old manufacturing, advertising, tech, like a combination of all. And I can tell you one thing that always surprises me anew, right? Everybody has the same shit. Everybody deals with the same issues. Everybody, like in this whole entrepreneurial creation business, has a version of the same thing. So it's a bit comforting. It doesn't, you still have to deal with your issues and the things that comes up. A little comforting that no matter where you are in the world, or no matter what industry you are, if you're selling tea, or you're selling iPhones, or you're selling telemedicine, or you're doing like a tech startup, you kind of have very similar rhyming issues.